Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the phone number on your ShopPay account. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open ShopPay on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is go to your profile. Then you can see the setup ShopPay. Save your address and payment info with ShopPay for transfer checkouts at over 1 million stores. So you can see that you must add your phone number to change your phone number. So this is the default phone number changing page when you open your account. If you want to change your number, you can also do it, but this is the first phase, so the changing phone number starts from here. So go ahead and write down your phone number in this box. After changing your country, go ahead and click continue, and in a while you can see that ShopPay will send a security code to confirm it's you. So if the number is not valid, the code will not be sent. So what you need to do is write down the correct phone number and the country code, click continue, and an OTP will be sent. What you need to do then is write down the OTP on the screen and your number will be changed. Let me show it to you once again. Go to ShopPay. You can see your profile on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on it, and you must write down your phone number over here after you change the country code. So you can see some of the valuable countries which ShopPay distributes its items and where the payments can be made. You can go ahead and select your country where you live, write down the phone number, click continue. After that, if the number is correct, an OTP code will come on your screen. You can write down the OTP code, log in, and then you can change your phone number. So this was a video on how you can change your phone number on ShopPay. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.